HACCP, or HACCP. We follow food safety procedures because we care for the health and safety of our guests and colleagues. But every country also has food hygiene regulations that are enforced and regulated, so we need to ensure that we follow these regulations at all times. General food hygiene and temperature control are vital in a kitchen. Health and safety legislation and regulations place a strong emphasis on owners and managers of restaurants, of hotels, lodges, catering companies, and other food establishments to identify safety risks and to design and implement appropriate systems to prevent contamination. These systems and procedures are covered by HACCP, or HACCP, which stands for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points, and also by Assured Safe Catering. The regulations place two general requirements on the owners of food businesses. Firstly, to ensure that all food handling operations are carried out hygienically and according to the rules of hygiene, and secondly, to identify and control all potential food safety hazards using a systematic approach, either HACCP or Assured Safe Catering. In addition, there is an obligation on any food handler who may be suffering from or carrying a disease that could be transmitted through food. The obligation is that you need to report this to your employer. It will then be your employer's responsibility to decide on appropriate action in the case of an employee reporting illness. Establishments that provide food have a general obligation to supervise, instruct, and provide training in food hygiene that corresponds with their employees' responsibilities. Ensure that you know your role in complying with HACCP and food safety hygiene, and also that you carry out these responsibilities with true professionalism. Good luck.